Welcome back to Waleed Academy. Today, I'll walk you through 11 essential Linux commands that will make you a terminal pro in no time. Let's dive right in. First up, we have ls. This command lists all files and directories in your current location. It's like taking a peek inside your folder. Type ls and hit enter. See that? All the files and folders neatly displayed. Add -L for more details, like permissions and file sizes. Next is pwd, short for Print Working Directory. It tells you exactly where you are in the system. Just type pwd and press enter. There you go. That's your current directory path. Super handy when you're navigating deep into folders. Now let's move around. Use cd to change directories. For example, type cd desktop to jump into the desktop folder. Want to go back? Type cd space ... to move up one level. Simple, right? Need to create a new file? Use the touch command. Type touch new file.txt. A new empty file named newfile.txt is ready. Want to display some text? Echo is your friend. Type echo hello world, and look at that. The terminal says hello back to you. And you can create file by this command. To view a file's content, use cat. For example, cat newfile.txt, and there's your text. Want to edit a file? Say hello to Nano, a simple text editor. Make your edits, and press Ctrl+O to save, then Ctrl+X to exit. Easy peasy. To copy a file, use cp. For example, cpfile.txt copyfile.txt. You've just made a duplicate of file.txt named copyfile.txt. Next is mv, which moves or renames files. Type mv copyfile.txt movedfile.txt. Now, copyfile.txt has been renamed to movedfile.txt. Need a new folder? Use mector to make one. Type mector folder, and there it is, your shiny new directory. We have rm to remove files. Type rm movedfile.txt, and it's gone. Be careful though. There's no undo here. And that's it. Here's a quick recap of what we covered. ls, pwd, cd, touch, echo, cat, nano, cp, mv, mector, and rm. Practice these and you'll be navigating the terminal like a pro. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.